Have you ever wondered how a total beginner can make money from TikTok as an affiliate marketer? Well, stick around as I'm about to give you the top 5 methods for making money as an affiliate on TikTok. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next video. Okay, so with over 1 billion users, TikTok has become a goldmine for creators looking to monetize their content. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective methods to turn your TikTok presence into a profitable venture. From promoting products through engaging videos to leveraging TikTok's unique features like live streams and shoppable posts, there are countless opportunities to earn. Affiliate marketing plays a crucial role in this ecosystem, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting brands you love. It's not just about going viral, it's about building authentic connections with your audience while generating income. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, stick around as we uncover the best strategies to monetize your TikTok journey. Method 1. Create engaging content. To kick off your TikTok monetization journey, focus on producing high-quality, engaging videos that truly attract viewers. Start by identifying trending topics and challenges that resonate with your audience. This not only boosts your visibility but also keeps your content relevant. Next, harness the power of storytelling techniques to create a deeper connection with your viewers. Share personal anecdotes or relatable experiences that draw them in and keep them watching. As you craft your videos, remember to incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content. This could be through product demonstrations or casual mentions that feel organic rather than forced. By blending engaging storytelling with trending topics and seamless affiliate promotions, you'll not only captivate your audience but also pave the way for successful monetization on TikTok. Method 2. Utilize TikTok Live. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is TikTok Live, which allows you to promote affiliate products in real time. During your live sessions, engage with your audience directly, answering their questions and creating a sense of community. This interaction not only builds trust but also keeps viewers invested in what you have to say. Use this opportunity to showcase products, demonstrating their features and explaining their benefits live. This hands-on approach can significantly influence purchasing decisions, as viewers can see the product in action. Don't forget to encourage your audience to check out your affiliate links in the comments section. By making it easy for them to access these links, you increase the chances of conversions. So, go live, connect with your followers and watch your affiliate marketing efforts flourish. Method 3. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with other TikTok influencers is a fantastic way to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Start by identifying influencers in your niche who share similar values and have a following that aligns with your target audience. Once you've found the right partners, create joint content that features affiliate products, showcasing them in a way that feels authentic and engaging. This collaborative approach not only adds variety to your content, but also introduces your products to a wider audience. Additionally, make sure to cross-promote each other's content, encouraging your followers to check out your collaborator's profile. This mutual support can lead to increased visibility and more followers for both parties. By leveraging the power of collaboration, you can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and build a strong community on TikTok. Method 4. Use TikTok ads. Investing in TikTok ads can be a game changer for promoting your affiliate products effectively. Start by creating targeted ad campaigns designed to reach your ideal audience based on their interests and behaviors. This ensures that your content is seen by those most likely to engage with it. Use eye-catching visuals that capture attention quickly, paired with clear calls to action that guide viewers on what to do next, whether it's clicking a link or visiting your profile. Once your ads are live, it's crucial to monitor their performance closely. Analyze metrics such as engagement rates and conversions to understand what's working and what isn't. Be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed to optimize results. By leveraging TikTok ads wisely, you can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts and drive more sales through your content. Method 5. Build a community. Cultivating a loyal following is essential for successful affiliate marketing on TikTok. Start by actively engaging with your audience through comments and messages, responding to their questions and feedback. This interaction helps build trust and shows that you value their opinions. Share personal experiences with the products you promote, highlighting how they've benefited you. Authenticity is key. When your audience sees your genuine enthusiasm, they're more likely to trust your recommendations. Additionally, encourage user-generated content by inviting your followers to share their experiences with the products you endorse. This not only fosters community involvement, but also creates a sense of belonging among your audience. By building a strong community around your content, you'll create a supportive environment where followers feel connected and are more inclined to act on your affiliate recommendations. So, invest time in nurturing these relationships and watch your influence grow. So, in today's video, we went over 5 effective methods for making money on TikTok through affiliate marketing. We discussed the importance of creating engaging content that resonates with your audience, utilizing TikTok Live for real-time promotions, collaborating with influencers to expand your reach, leveraging TikTok ads for targeted campaigns, and building a loyal community that trusts your recommendations. Remember, consistency and engagement are crucial in this journey. The more you interact with your followers, the stronger your connection will be. As you implement these strategies, don't forget to track your progress and adjust as needed. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you succeed on TikTok.